Hi everybody, welcome back to our cooking show. Always here with my mother Franca, and on today's episode we're making something super simple and delicious that you can eat any day of the week. Ma, today what are we making?
Pasta, pancetta e broccoli.
And we will show you just how to make this coming up next
On
Love What You Eat. So we're preparing a super simple pasta dish. Put a pot of water to boil, salted water, and as that comes to boil, you're gonna see my mom start to brown some pancetta. Once that gets a little bit brown, she'll also be adding some chili flakes and some olive oil to enhance that delicious flavor. She'll be adding toward the end some fresh broccoli florets. We suggest fresh because they just have a nicer bite and they really will only be tossed in the last minute or two to keep that nice sturdy bite. And then pasta of choice, we're choosing farfalle. Once the pasta is cooked, it's going to be strained and added to the nice deep dish of deliciousness. We're gonna give that a toss, and that is a Sunday delicious simple meal that my mom will show you and on a closer look.
Yeah.
And we're done. That took, all in all, I would say 15 minutes, maybe an extra 5 with the prep of just chopping the fresh broccoli into perfect portions. But aside from that, the time of the pasta that you chose, we chose farfalle, so it takes a little bit longer to cook. Cook it to your liking, al dente, well done, as you wish. But while that basically boils, you're crisping up the pancetta, adding the broccoli the last couple of minutes, another drizzle of olive oil, peperoncino for some added flavor, add any additional spices of choice as you like, but we are keeping it super simple. Serve it with Parmigiano cheese dusted on top or not, again, as you wish, but this is a weekly meal that is whipped up in no time, and it tastes delicious.
Max half an hour, you have a beautiful, delicious meal to serve your family.
So we're gonna give it a try, but it already smells great.
Yeah, it is.
It's a classic.
Favorite. Buon appetito.
So good.
The pancetta gives it so much flavor. And if you don't have pancetta, you could use bacon.
It is just simple, delicious, and like my mother said, so flavorful. With the rendered fat of the pancetta, it gives such a rich creaminess because we also added in some pasta water.
Don't forget to always reserve a bit of pasta water all the time. That's your savior.
And you saw that we scooped out the pasta from the pot into the pan, but adding that pasta water just creates this thick creaminess of a sauce.
A little bit of a starchiness. It makes
So
it just
good. We're gonna get the critic coming. Hold on. Say hi to my father.
Hey guys.
He's gonna give it a try. He tells us, yeah, sometimes we're fired, sometimes we're hired.
Let's see if we get his approval. Allora?
You're okay.
I'm okay?
Yeah. You can come next week.
Oh, thank you. I'm re-invited again.
That means we passed the test.
All right. So thanks so much for watching, and until next time, continue to love what you eat. Bye for now.
Ciao, buona
Bye, guys.
domenica a tutti.